Hi everyone, took the opportunity the other day to zero the Tikka T1x down at the farm. I know it's a good backstop on it. There's quite a large hill behind it, so took the gongs down there, decided to re-zero it with the pulsar C50 on top, and actually got a misfire whilst filming. So this is just a quick video to show you what I did once I had the misfire, which is down to the cracks in the neck slot you'll see in this picture, and basically how it didn't affect the gun thereafter because I double checked. Right then, I'm at the Tikka T1x. It's got a pulsar C50 on it, and no, I'm not sponsored or anything by Pulsar, I just prefer them. So here we go. Put a 5-shot group, let's see where we go. I've zoomed in, my magnification's 8. Let's have a look. Gong swinging a little bit, wait for it to calm down. Looks like it's going high just a little bit. It's 4 shots. Right, that one didn't fire. So I'm going to pause it there because I've got to check down my barrel just to make sure I can see daylight in case the tips come off. Actually, I'll carry on recording because this is an interesting one. A few people have said about the 17 HMR, and once you get a misfire, don't reload another one until you actually check down the barrel, make sure the tip hasn't come off. Now the bullet that didn't fire I've got in my hand here, and it's still got the tip and everything on, but I'm gonna take the magazine out. Chambers are empty. I'm gonna take the bolt out, and I'm gonna make sure that I can see daylight, which I'm gonna have to take the silencer off for. Gun's completely safe, no magazine, no bolt, no anything, and I'm just going to check down the barrel, make sure I can see daylight, which I can see daylight, so that means there's nothing stuck in the barrel, so I can put it all back together now. Right, I'm back. So as you saw, I had a misfire. I'm not reusing that round, but what I did do, I took the magazine out, took the moderator off, took the bolt out, and ensured that I could see daylight down the barrel just in case the tip of the misfire came out. Very, very important. I went up to my local gun shop, Hadfield Guns in Loughborough. Jamie, Simon and all those up there who work up there, really helpful, really knowledgeable. Like I said, I don't pretend to be the be-all and end-all of shooting, especially rimfires. Fairly new to it myself. They taught me through it, taught me about the 17 HMR ammo. Basically, when you get a misfire, you've got to check that you can see daylight through the barrel afterwards, just to ensure that the tip hasn't come out, because if it does come out, it can obviously you chamber another one. And then what happens then, you send another one down the barrel, it hits the tip that's in the barrel, and basically I've heard horror stories about people breaking fingers, fracturing cheekbones, obviously the rifle's virtually blown apart, magazine blows out, bits and bobs fly everywhere. So again, thanks to Jamie and Simon and all the lads there at Hadfield Guns. for letting me know that, because like I said, I never do anything other than do what I've just done every time I have a misfire on them, and they do happen. It's not down to the gun, it's down to the round. Put it next to it here. That's accurate. Yep, I'll say that's on. Let's put one in a rabbit's head now.
Yeah, it's on.
Yep, that rabbit.
You can see.
So,
Hope this helps, especially
overlapping each other. So I've settled on that one. I did move it up and right a little bit, one click up, one click right. Then I took a shot at the rabbit's head. You may have heard it, but I forgot to move it across. And as you can see, yeah, it's on. So hope this helps, especially with the misfire, the information there. Like I said, check out Hadfield Guns in Loughborough. Really good. Ask for Jamie, Simon, or any of the other lads. All the kit you want, rimfire, air rifle, centre fire, everything you got, anything you'll need, they've got or can get very quickly. So check them out.
Well, thanks for watching. Like I said, this is just something that I was told to do once I had a misfire, to save injury, to save the rifle itself. So and it seemed to work. It works every time, so hope it helps.